Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Aria Lifestyle and you are watching Cozy Corner. Cozy Corner is a collaboration where we decorate a cozy corner or vignette for this video. For me, I am going to decorate the area that transitions from my living room to my breakfast nook. So this is truly a cozy corner because there is no name for this corner. So we may as well make it cozy and call it cozy. This is a collaboration hosted by these beautiful ladies and talented channels. Okay, as I said, it's Cozy Corner or Vignette. It's an open invite collaboration. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And it's hashtag Cozy Corner 23. Also hosting is Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, Design with Emma, Tablescapes by Candy, Diva Decorating, myself, the Aria Lifestyle, Sasu Glam Style, Decorate With Us, Mabel's Tables, J-Mom Creations, Pretty DIYs, Z9 Designs, Creations by Simone, Annalise Cupboard, and it's me, Ashley Coaxum. Go over to all those channels, guys. Show them some love, and I'm sure you will enjoy all the little cozy corners we have created. In this cozy corner video, I am going to make a space that I have between my living room and my breakfast nook a little more relevant. It's right there. We've been trying so many things in this corner. It's a pretty versatile corner, but at the same time, it's like the master of none. It can do everything, but yet it's doing nothing. So we're trying to at least make it a little cozy and making it have a vibe, moving from the beautiful living room into the nice breakfast nook. I am using 2 Goodwill finds as pieces of furniture, and you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So stick around for this video. And if you're here for the first time and not subscribed to this channel, please, I ask that you subscribe. I hope you like the content on the Aria Lifestyle. I do home decor, fitness, fashion, beauty, cooking, all types of videos, anything to do with the home and Aria's lifestyle. I would love to have you as a part of the Aria Lifestyle family. So hopefully you will like, comment, share this video, and eventually subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this cozy corner. For this video and this cozy corner creation, I basically used a couple of elements. The hanging wall decor, which in this case was the painting, a very tall element, which was the lamp. Then we had a green element, which was the plant. Then we had the 2 main furniture pieces of the Goodwill finds that I repurposed and repainted, and that pulled everything together to create this cozy corner. Okay, so the first piece I'm putting up is a DIY splash painting. Here's the reel showing how I did it.
Anytime when I'm ready, sick, suck. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dial light steady. Speed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Gas, I'm a sharp like guillotine. And some I'm blast out. The life I will live for the fast gas. Rich, I'm not talk. Fully goes up, can't fall off.
Next up is my Goodwill find of this beautiful standing lamp. And it's nice there in the background at a nice height where it can set some kind of tone for what we're putting in this space. Next is another Goodwill find, and this one I repurposed, that repainted it. Here is a little video showing how we got here. Turning this one into a stool, cushion stool for like a reading corner. So it's gonna be like a chair, reading chair. Okay, so one thing to note, and I must put my disclaimer, I'm not sending you to turn tables into chairs because I'm not even sure if the dignity of this coffee table can handle somebody heavy sitting on there. But I'll let you know in a couple of months how it held up. But I am using these 2 cushions from Walmart that I found in the porch and kitchen section, I think, and how they're set. They can be tied together at the back so that they stay neatly on the chair. So that's what I'm putting for comfort in sitting on there. And then next up is my beautiful plant that I keep showing off on Instagram about how I'm developing a green thumb. I've had this plant about a month now and it's doing really well. And it's an indoor plant. It's lovely. I got it from Home Depot. And yeah, so I think it complements that corner right there between the chair and the back door. Next up is one more Goodwill find, guys. You know I love to go to Goodwill, and these finds are on different trips, guys, so it's not every time I go there I find something valuable. But this one is, it can be used as a little credenza, console table, whichever one you want to call it, but we've been searching for something reasonable to put in this transitionary area behind the living room couch for a while, and we saw this piece and thought it would have been perfect. Here's how it looked before. I simply painted it, guys. I didn't even sand it down. I was too lazy, so I painted it with several coats of paint, and the trick to this is to dab the paint on the first or second coats, and then you use the roller so that it looks really smooth at the finish. So here's how it turned out. Beautiful, I think. To style this console, we're gonna start with 2 baskets that I got from Walmart. They were both, they sold as a pair for about $15. Pretty reasonable for the quality of wicker basket. So I'm gonna put the pair of them right down there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna store in that yet because I don't want to make it get too untidy, but for now they're gonna stay empty. Here is a picture holder or a book holder that I found on Amazon. Really cool, easily assembled. And I'm putting my to dine plate right there because as this is a transitionary cozy corner, it transitions into where we have most of our meals in the breakfast nook. Now we're ready to style the upper section of the console. The lower section had to be careful not to be too crowded. Here we're gonna use a book holder, a really nice book holder I got from Amazon to hold my Magnolia book that I just bought. I'm so excited about the recipes in there, and it's pretty reasonable on Amazon as well. And I'm showing you how I put the book in there and how secure it is. It's quality product, guys. It's an amazing find on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box for these items that I used to style this console table. I've always maintained that with styling, you want the eye levels to be riveted with interest, you know, attracted by interest, and different levels are one of the things that you do to do this. So I'm going to be putting my beautiful design item, these tiny minimalist vases. It's a pair of them. I purposely bought them this short because I didn't want any decor that was too tall sitting behind the chair in case the kids do some crazy stuff and hit it off. So I wanted to keep the items very low laying, and even though low laying, we still managed to achieve some levels. So I'm using pampas grass hair, pretty light and easy and fluffy and bright. And I'm gonna get the other, the baby sister to this beautiful decor vase. And that's basically it. I'm gonna finish it out with a candle in the middle. And that's my styling of my console table to close out this beautiful cozy corner. Thank you, Anna, for inviting me on this collaboration. It really was beautiful and gave me an excuse to fix up this corner. Thank you for staying with me towards the end of this video while I dressed this corner and made it cozy. Thank you so much. I hope that you have made the decision to become a part of the Aria Lifestyle family. If you've made it this far in the video, it means there's something here that you like, and I would love to have you. So do not forget to hit that notification bell after you subscribe so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Love you guys. Peace out. Let's get ready for the